Hello and welcome. This is a sound called how to make a double egg and banana sandwich. First thing you gotta do is you squeeze this mayonnaise onto the bread. And then after that, you open up the banana, then after that, you cut it. And then after that, you put the banana slices on to the bread. Then after that, you put the egg and the other egg on top. Then after that, and here is your double flat egg and banana sandwich. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, folks.